The education system, as it turns out, isn't designed to help you become wealthy or live a prosperous life. Its primary aim is to produce obedient employees who never dare to dream big. If you want to break free from this programming, you need to watch this video until the end because no one is coming to rescue you. Now, let's uncover 15 money secrets they don't teach you in school. Number 1. Money's 3 important attributes. Money is more than just a medium of exchange. It has 3 important attributes: being a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. Money should be easily exchanged for goods and services, help us compare prices, and, most importantly, retain its value over time. Unfortunately, inflation has eroded the store of value attribute, resulting in the need to find alternative strategies to preserve and grow our wealth. Number 2. Saving versus investing. Saving money alone is not enough to build wealth. While it may preserve your money to some extent, it's hardly enough to beat inflation. Investing, on the other hand, is the key to wealth creation. Stocks, bonds, and real estate are common investment options that offer growth and the potential for exponential returns. Compound interest plays a significant role in building wealth over time. By understanding financial knowledge and adopting a strategic approach, you can mitigate risks and achieve long-term financial success. Number 3. The influence of central banks. Central banks hold immense control over our financial system. They not only create money but also manipulate consumer behavior through various tools. Understanding how central banks operate is crucial to gaining financial self-awareness. By playing by their rules, we can protect and preserve our wealth. The economy's lifeline depends on the citizens' unawareness, and it's important to be aware of how central banks manipulate the money supply. Number 4. The difference between credit and cash. Understanding the difference between credit and cash is essential for financial mastery. Cash offers immediate control and ownership, reflecting your liquid assets. Credit, on the other hand, is a powerful tool when used wisely. It represents your financial reputation and can assist in facilitating large purchases and managing unexpected expenses. However, credit comes with interest costs and must be managed responsibly. Number 5. Money's connection to value creation. Money is tied to value creation. Successful individuals give society what it wants but doesn't yet know how to achieve at scale. By identifying needs, providing solutions, and marketing effectively, value is created and distributed. Those who enrich themselves by enriching society understand the power of supply and demand. It's not about accumulating wealth at the expense of others but about contributing to societal growth. Number 6. Monthly salary and complacency. A monthly salary can lead to complacency and limit your potential for financial success. Breaking free from the routine and embracing risk-taking is crucial for wealth creation. Significant wealth rarely comes from a fixed income but is a result of calculated risks, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Stepping out of your comfort zone and venturing into the realm of financial opportunities is essential for reaching your full potential. Number 7. Understanding how banks work. Banks thrive on people's lack of financial knowledge and understanding. Taking personal responsibility for your education is crucial to avoiding unnecessary fees and interest costs. By understanding how banks operate, you can make informed decisions and manage your finances more effectively. Self-education pays off, and taking the time to learn about banking practices is a worthwhile investment. Number 8. Preventing unnecessary expenses. One of the keys to financial success is preventing unnecessary expenses. It's important to differentiate between wants and needs and make conscious decisions about how you spend your money. By tracking your expenses and creating a budget, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Avoiding impulse purchases and practicing delayed gratification can help you prioritize your financial goals and make wiser spending choices. Number 9. The power of compound interest. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. It's the concept of earning interest not only on your initial investment but also on the accumulated interest over time. By starting to invest early and consistently, you can take advantage of the power of compounding and watch your money grow exponentially. Time is a crucial factor in maximizing the benefits of compound interest, so it's never too early or too late to start investing. Number 10. Building multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single source of income, such as a job, can be risky. To achieve financial security and abundance, it's important to build multiple streams of income. This can be done through various means, such as starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or generating passive income through investments. Diversifying your income sources not only provides financial stability but also increases your earning potential and opens up more opportunities for wealth creation. Number 11. The importance of financial education. One of the biggest secrets they never taught you in school is the importance of financial education. Acquiring financial knowledge and understanding concepts like investing, budgeting, and managing debt are essential for making informed financial decisions. Take the time to educate yourself through books, online resources, and financial courses. By expanding your financial literacy, you gain the power to take control of your finances and make choices that will lead to long-term wealth accumulation. Number 12. The role of mindset in wealth creation. Developing a wealth mindset is crucial for achieving financial success. Your beliefs and attitudes toward money play a significant role in shaping your financial reality. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, positivity, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and support your financial goals. By adopting a wealth mindset, you'll attract opportunities and be better equipped to overcome challenges on your path to wealth creation. Number 13. Leveraging tax strategies. Understanding and leveraging tax strategies can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Take advantage of the tax deductions, credits, and incentives available to you. Consider consulting with a tax professional who can guide you on how to optimize your tax situation and potentially save money. By being proactive and informed about tax strategies, you can minimize your tax burden and keep more of your hard-earned money. Number 14. Continual learning and adaptability. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to embrace continual learning and adaptability. Stay updated on market trends, new investment opportunities, and changes in financial regulations. Be open to adjusting your strategies and exploring new avenues for wealth creation. Those who are willing to adapt and learn from both successes and failures are more likely to thrive in the ever-changing financial world. Number 15. Building generational wealth. Finally, building generational wealth is a secret to financial success that is often overlooked. Beyond just accumulating wealth for yourself, consider creating a legacy that can benefit future generations. This can be achieved through estate planning, setting up trust funds, and teaching your children about financial literacy. By passing down knowledge, assets, and values, you can create a lasting impact that goes beyond your own lifetime. And there you have it, 15 money secrets they never taught you in school. We hope these insights will empower you to take control of your financial future and work towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, it's never too late to start implementing these secrets and transforming your relationship with money. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you all the best on your journey to financial success.